Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 1 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 1 math and then click on view all. There you can find the list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter edition. We're going to start with the student. Rachel works at a women's clothing store. Yesterday, she noticed that all her customers wore pants or skirts. Three customers pants and one customer wore a skirt. How many customers did Rachel help yesterday? So three of them wore pants and one of them wore skirt. You need to collect the total customers he served. So you need to add 3 plus 1 makes 4. So that means in total he helped 4 customers, right? Let's just start with the test question. Rachel works at a women's clothing store. Yesterday, she noticed that all her customers wore pants or skirts. Three customers wore pant and one customer wore a skirt. How many customers did let Rachel help yesterday? So in total, he helped 4 customers. The correct option is 4. You need to add 3 plus 1 makes 4. The basketball team lost a game. They scored 1 point, but they needed 3 more points to win. In total, how many points did the team need to win? So you need to add 3 plus 1 makes. That is 4. Option number 2 is the correct option. A husband and a wife are on the Oregon Trail. Bugs got into their food and ruined 4 cups of wheat and 1 cup of cornmeal. How many cups of grain does the couple lose? So 4 plus 1 makes 5. The correct option is option number 2. 5 it is. So in total, the cups of grain they lose is 5. Option number, okay, that is 5. Kira only feeds her dog 2 kinds of at her dog, 2 peanut butter treats and 2 carrot treats. How many treats did Kira feed her dog last year? You need to calculate the total. You need to calculate the total treats he feed to her dog. So you need to collect them together into 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 2 makes 4 it is. Option number 1 is the correct option. 4 is the correct option. After a forest fire, there are three old trees plus two baby trees called saplings. How many trees are there overall? So, which is the correct option? Very good. You need to collect them. So, 3 plus 2 makes 5. Option number 3 is the correct option. The school supply cabinet has one large binder and four small binders. In total, how many binders are there? So, you need to calculate the total binder. So 4 plus 1 makes 5. Option number 4 is the correct option. A truck dropped off milk at two stores. It used 2 gallons of gas to drive the first store and 3 gallons of to the second. How many gallons of gas did the truck use? You need to calculate the total gallons of truck he used. So you need to add 3 plus 2 makes 5. It is 3 plus 2 makes 5. Very good. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Move on to next lesson. The next lesson is addition sentences for up to 10. Last week on a show about superheroes, the main character one girl from danger. How many people did the rescue hero rescue last week? Write an addition sentence that fits the story. So you need to write down the addition sentence. So 4 boys and 1 girl, right? You need to calculate how many total people the hero rescues. So you need to add 4 plus 1. Let's just start with the test questions. Last week on a show about superheroes, the main character rescued 4 boys. 4 boys and 1 girl from danger. How many people did the hero rescue last week? Write an addition sentence that fits the story. So you need to collect them. The sentence that fits the story is 4 plus 1 equals 5. Option number 1 is the correct option. One afternoon, Erica caught two tadpoles in a pond and took them home. They left one tadpole in the pond. How many tadpoles were in the pond before? Write an addition sentence that fits that story. So you need to calculate total tadpoles, right? So you need to add them. 2 plus 1 makes 2 plus 1 is 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. And that is the sentence that fits the story. May only feeds her dog two kinds of treats. Last year, May fed her dog one peanut butter treat and three carrot treats. How many treats did May feed her dog last year? Write an addition sentence that fits the story. So, which is the correct option? One plus three equals four. Option number two is the correct option. Homer goes on vacation to the Bahamas. He sends three postcards to friends and two postcards to family members. How many postcards does he send in all? Write an addition sentence that fits the story. That is 3 plus 2 equals 5. Option number 3 is the correct option. Yesterday, Joseph took care of his younger brother and sister. He picked up three of his brother's toys and one of his sister's toy. How many toys did Joseph pick up? Write an addition sentence that fits the story. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 1 plus 4 equals 5. Yesterday, three of his brother's toy and one of his sister's toy. The correct option is 3 plus 1 equals 4. Option number 4 is the correct option. Camel's favorite games at the carnival are the bottle stand game and the rope ladder climb. Camel tries the bottle stand game 4 times and a rope ladder climb 1 time. In all, how many times does Camel play the game? So you need to calculate how many times he played the game. So you need to collect them. The correct option is like the addition sentence is 4 plus 1 equals 5 option. Brittany is building a cabinet. She needs three 1-inch bolts and one 1.5-inch bolt. How many bolts in all does Brittany need? Write an addition sentence that fits the story. The correct sentence is 3 plus 1 equals 4. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move next lesson. Lesson is addition 18. Use workbook for more practice on this lesson. So let's just skip this lesson. Addition fact sums up to 18. So add 0 plus 5. So adding 0 means same whatever number it is. So 0 plus 5 is 5. The correct option is 5. Adding 0 means the number is the same. So 5 it is. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Add 0 plus 5. So adding 0 means the number stays the same. So 0 plus 5 is 5. Option number 1 is the correct option. Add 3 plus 0. So 3 plus 0 is 3. It is right. Adding 0 means it's the same. The correct option is 3. 7 plus 6. So start with 7 and count up to 6. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 it is. Option number 1 is the correct option. 3 plus 2 makes 5 it is. The correct option is 5. 4 plus 5 makes 9 it is. The correct option is 9. 9 plus 8 makes 17 it is. Option number 2 is the correct option, that is 17. So 4 plus 2 makes 6 it is. The correct option is 6. Option number 4 is the correct option. Eight plus two makes 10 it is. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next. Addition word problem sum up to 18. Let's just start with the test questions. In a rainforest, there is one small parakeet and one large parakeet. What are the total parakeet population? So you need to add 1 plus 1 makes 2 it is. The total parakeets are 2. Option 1 is the correct option. Timmy has a chest of coin. Inside there are 4 coins and 8 coins, silver coins. How many coins are all in the chef chest? So which is the correct option? You need to add. So 8 silver coins and 4 gold coins. So 8 plus 4 makes 12. Option number 1 is the correct option. After a forest fire, there are 8 old trees plus 1 plus 4 baby trees called saplings. How many trees are there overall? That is 8 plus 4 makes 12. Option number 2 is the correct option. On an oil island, there are 4 wild horses and 6 tame horses. In total, how many horses are in the on the island horses? So 6 plus 4 makes, yes, 10 it is. Option number 2 is the correct option. One afternoon, Keith caught 4 tadpoles in a pond and took them home. That left 4 tadpoles in the pond. How many tadpoles were in the pond before? So 4 plus 4 makes 8. It is option number 1 is the correct option. Monica had to do the dishes after work. She washed 4 small plates and 1 large plate. How many plates did she wash in total? The correct option is 4 plus 1 equals 5. So in total, she washed 5 dishes. Angie helped her father bake cookies. They baked 6 sugar cookies and 1 chocolate chip cookie. How many cookies did they bake altogether? 6 plus 1 makes 7. It is option is 7. Option number 4 is the correct option. As a fire, Whitney has helped out 3 fires in her own city and 9 in a nearby city. How many fires has she helped put out? 9 plus 3. So which is the correct option? 12. It is 9 plus 3 makes 12. Option number 3 is the correct option. On the first day of school, students used 3 small paper clips and 5 large ones. How many paper clips did they use that day? So you need to find out the total clips. So 3 plus 5 makes 8. Option number 2 is the correct option. When Maria first moved into her house, there were no flowers in her backyard. Since then, Maria has planted 2 roses and 1 daisy. How many flowers are in her backyard now? 2 plus 1 is 3. The correct option is 3. Okay, you can complete the lesson self-rated today. So we were working on grade 1 math. Chapter we were working on is addition. 10 word problem sums up to 10. Addition sentences for sums up to 10. Addition fact sums up to 18. And then addition word problem sums up to 18. So please make sure before the next session complete all the practice questions for the lessons. State that is your homework until next session. So if you need any of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button. Student are available there, tutors are available there to help you. Or either you can write them down in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusion if you have any. So any questions you can please ask if you have any. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Any questions? No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.